Hi class, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Excel spreadsheet when creating your conditioning and training plans for your project that you're about to complete with your group. So first thing you're going to do is go down and right here this green button, white with green on the inside is going to be the Microsoft Excel unit. So you're going to double click on that and it's going to open up and look like this. Okay? Everybody's going to have different things here, but we want to just open a blank workbook. Okay, so just double click on that and it's going to open to this. Okay, so the several things that we want to make sure that we have in our conditioning plan are what the exercise is, how many reps of that exercise we will be doing, and how many rounds of that exercise we will be completing as well. So up in this top box in A, we are going to write exercise. Okay? So this column is where you will be putting what exercise you will be doing. For instance, let's skip a box to create space. So we go down to box 3. In this box, we might put, let's say, back squat. Okay. Using this button right here, I'm going to pull the box. So it should look like this. I'm going to pull it over just a tad bit and give me a little more space in this box. Okay. So then for back squat, next to exercise, we are going to click rep. We are going to type reps into box B in 1B. And in box 1C, we are going to type rounds. Okay. Moving down now into row 3, box B, we are going to put how many of this exercise we are going to do. So let's say 8 reps. So that's all you have to do, just a number 8 in that box. Then for rounds, we want to complete 3 rounds of 8. So you just type a 3. Okay? With that, we want to superset this with something else. So let's say we want to superset them with RDLs. Okay, so you're going to put RDL in that box below. We want to complete 10 RDLs for 3 rounds. So just like that, as simple as that. So that is one superset. So see how these two exercises are together? That means that they will be supersetted together. So for the next round, we're going to come down here. We're going to skip a box and come down here, and we're going to put in our next exercise. So our next exercise, let's just say, is hang snatch. Okay, so same thing, reps. We're going to put 5 reps for 3 rounds, and we're going to superset these with box jumps. Okay, so same thing. We're going to do 5 reps for 3 rounds. Okay, so by skipping this space, we can see that these two things go together and these two things go together, right? So this is very simple to use, as you can see. If I click on here, it's used just like Word. I can highlight it, bold it. I can go ahead in here and make this font size bigger, right? So this way, we can make sure that it's seen and that people know that that column is for those specific things. So it's just as simple as that. So we're going to move this over, but just as simple as that. And those are just the basics needed to complete this project on Excel Word. I really hope this helps, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Hope you all have a great rest of your day.